Hey guys, welcome back to ASAP. Today's video is going to be about 9 Instagram tricks that we think you guys don't know about. So let's start. The first trick I'm going to show you is how to insert photos from your library as stickers on your Instagram story. So let's go to the story section. Let's click a picture. Now click on the stickers option at the top. Okay, let's scroll down to this option over here. You click on that. Here you can see photos from your library. So you can choose any picture you like and post it on your story. You can select another picture, and in this way you can create a decent story with pictures from your phone's library. Now our next trick is about Chroma. Many of you guys must have heard about a chroma screen or a green screen. Basically, we use a green screen as background for a photo or a video, and then later we can replace that green color with any other picture as the background. So you can do this on Instagram as well. Let's see how. Here you can see different Instagram filters. If you go to the end and click on browse effects, then go to search and type green screen. Here you can see a green screen by Instagram. You click on that and then you click on the save this effect button. So this effect will get saved. Now let's get out of here and go back to the beginning of the Instagram filters. Here you can see the green screen filter and then click on add media. So let's select one picture, and then after doing that, let's switch the camera. Here you can see me. So basically this is how it works. You can create a video or just click simple photo with a different background, and you can play around with this filter and get a little bit creative. So now I'm going to show you how to check past usernames of an account that is now using a different username. So remember, this trick only works for verified accounts and also for accounts that are kind of popular but aren't verified. So let's search for an account from Explore. I will go for Oba. Now here I will click on the three dots at the top and click on about this account. Now here you will be able to see different fields like date joined, account based in, former usernames, and account with shared followers. If I go into former usernames, here you can see Aubameyang97. So this guy was using Aubameyang97 as the username up until November 2020, and since then he has changed it to Auba. You can see that this account is based in the United Kingdom, and when this guy has joined Instagram and stuff like that. Okay, now I will search for a different profile like a hotel chain. For example, Taj Hotels. Now there is an additional field for organizations or companies. Let's click on three dots at the top, go into about this account. Then at the end you can see active ads. If we go into active ads, we'll be able to check out what advertisements Taj Hotels is running on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so here you can see a couple of ads running. And if you want to get more details about these ads, you can click on see ad details and then you can just explore. So if you guys want to check out which hotel is running promotional campaigns or is running discounts on bookings, then this is a handy feature. Okay, moving on. Next I'm going to show you how to switch between accounts. So if you are one of those guys who handles multiple accounts on Instagram, this trick is for you. All you have to do is double tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will be switched back into the last opened account. So this method is a lot quicker than pressing on the profile icon and then selecting the account that you need to log into. Okay. Next I'm going to show you how to create shortcuts for common responses. So from the top right, click on settings. then click on business, then tap on saved replies. Let's select new saved reply. Now here we have to enter the name of your shortcut. I will just type in new as my shortcut name. Now in the message section, I will write, let's say our next video will get uploaded on Saturday. I'll tap on save. Now when you go into your DM and you want to use a saved reply, just type in the name of your shortcut. So you can see this blue option to the right. You tap on that and your reply message will appear automatically. It's that simple. So, if you're getting a lot of messages in your DM and you're tired of replying to each and everyone, this is a great shortcut. Just type in the shortcut name and your message will appear. Now I'm going to show you how to remove a follower from your list. Now it may happen that you have an annoying person in your followers list and you want to get rid of them, but you don't want to block them out. So, to do this, just go into your followers, search for the name of the person and click on remove. This way you can easily remove a follower without them knowing, and you don't even have to block that person. Okay, now you guys know that we can pin comments on YouTube, but you can also pin up to 3 comments on Instagram posts as well. Go to the comment that you want to pin and swipe to the left. Click on the first option. The comment has been pinned at the top of my post. It's that simple. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to limit comments or blacklist certain words on your posts. To do this, go to settings, then click on privacy, then go into comments. Okay, now at the top you can see allow comments from everyone. If we go into that, everyone has been selected by default, but you can change that to people you follow and your followers, or people you follow or just your followers. Okay, below that you can see hide more comments. Might as well turn that on, just so that some of the offensive comments are hidden directly by Instagram. At the bottom you can see manual filter. So if you toggle on manual filter, here you can put in specific words that you don't want on your posts. For example, DM for details or follow or like. So using these features, you can, have total control on who comments on your posts. You can get rid of all the spam comments on your posts and keep only the genuine ones there. For the last trick, I'm going to show you how to set a time limit for Instagram. If you are someone who spends most of the day surfing on Instagram, not knowing when to stop, please pay attention. To do this, go to your profile and from the top, click on your activity, go to the time section, and here you can see set daily reminder. If you go into that, here you can put the time limit of your liking and then tap on set reminder. So this way Instagram itself will tell you when it's time to stop scrolling and get back to work. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you find these tricks useful. Make sure you subscribe for more such amazing tricks and videos on Instagram, and do visit our channel, hit like, click on the bell icon. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.